Yo, temptation is real and temptation is everywhere. But I've realized that there's a way we can live our lives as believers. That temptation will see us. Temptation will be like, yeah, he's not going to fall for us. He's not into stuff like that. Let's try someone else. She won't come. She doesn't go to stuff like that. Don't even talk like that around him. He doesn't like it. That's a powerful place to be, because that shows that your life is so evidently clear Christian that people know what you stand for, and they also know what you won't fall for, so they don't even bother asking you. That's powerful. There's also something else that happens with temptation, is that even if you switch off and you're almost falling into temptation and you switch off, which happens to some of us, all of us, temptation will remind you about who you are. Hey, you're meant to be that Christian guy that posts stuff on social media. Aren't you that Christian girl doing evangelism in town? Aren't you that pastor's child? It's powerful. You're reminded by temptation about who you are. Therefore, you can flee. That's powerful.